All right, here we are. We made it to Chicago. I don't know if you can see the old Sears Tower, Willis Tower, whatever it's called nowadays. We're in the McCormick Center, Lot B. Got the rig unhitched. Got our heavy duty pack lock coupler hitch on there. Got her kind of level. Somehow we gotta figure out how to get across those highways onto the little park that's next to the lake. It's our neighbor here, big old Prevost. Now we're gonna go do a little exploring. Feed the dog, let him go potty. Looks like we got a little sunshine. Everything all locked up. Hopefully, if we go for a walk, everything should still be here. See ya.